5 Generative AI Tools. Hello innovators, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss 5 generative AI tools you must know. In recent years, artificial intelligence, AI, has made significant strides, transforming various industries and revolutionizing the way we work, create, and make decisions. Especially generative tools have been one of the biggest breakthroughs in the field of AI. AI tools have emerged as powerful instruments, offering unprecedented capabilities and opening up new avenues for innovation. In this era of technological advancements, we find ourselves at the forefront of exploring 5 remarkable AI tools. Synthesia. Synthesia is an innovative AI-powered platform that revolutionizes video production. It utilizes artificial intelligence and deep learning algorithms to generate realistic, human-like avatars that can speak any text with natural expressions and emotions. With Synthesia, users can create engaging videos for various purposes, including e-learning, marketing, entertainment, and more. The platform offers a user-friendly interface that allows users to customize the appearance of their avatars and synchronize gestures, facial expressions, and voiceovers with the provided script. By leveraging Synthesia, businesses and content creators can save time and resources in video production while delivering impactful messages to their audiences. Midjourney. In the world of artificial intelligence, there's a groundbreaking program that's revolutionizing the way we create images. An exceptional generative AI tool that is making waves with its unique style and remarkable capabilities. Midjourney allows you to transform your imagination into stunning visuals with just a few simple commands. Whether you're an AI enthusiast or an artist, this tool will unlock a whole new world of creativity. What makes Midjourney truly special is its ability to generate high-quality images from textual descriptions. Similar to other AI programs like DALL-E and Stable Diffusion, Midjourney's creators have developed their own distinct style that sets it apart. Using Midjourney is as easy as joining their beta program and accessing the tool through Discord. Once you're in, you can unleash your creativity by using prompts to guide the AI in generating unique and exciting images. The results speak for themselves. Midjourney produces visually captivating and detailed images, making it an indispensable tool for artists and AI enthusiasts alike. The program's popularity has soared as its unique style has captured the attention of the creative community. So, whether you're an aspiring artist or a seasoned creative, Midjourney offers an opportunity to explore your imagination and bring your artistic visions to life. Join the beta program today and unlock the true potential of generative AI. Runway. With Runway ML, you can effortlessly discover and utilize a wide range of AI models for image generation, animation, and more. No coding required. The best part? Runway ML's intuitive interface lets you create stunning outputs like images and animations with just a few clicks. It's simple and accessible to everyone. But here's where it gets exciting. Runway ML allows you to chain multiple models together, expanding your creative possibilities. Let your imagination run wild. Choose how you process your models. Run them locally on your computer or leverage cloud-based GPU computing for faster performance. The choice is yours. Don't worry about breaking the bank. Runway ML offers a free $10 credit when you sign up, so you can explore AI affordably. Plus, a supportive community is ready to assist you on your AI journey. 11 Labs. Meet 11 Labs, a startup that's making waves in the world of AI voice technology. Their groundbreaking deep learning model can transform text into speech in any language, voice, and emotion. It's like having your own personal voice assistant. What sets 11 Labs apart from the competition is its ability to clone voices of existing persons. While other startups are focusing on text-to-speech, 11 Labs is taking it to the next level. With 11 Labs, businesses can create interactive and intelligent virtual assistants that revolutionize customer service. Imagine automated customer interactions, personalized recommendations, and real-time assistance. It's like having a team of virtual helpers working round the clock. The possibilities are endless. Whether it's improving customer support, enhancing user experiences, or streamlining operations, 11 Labs has got you covered. In this rapidly evolving world of generative AI, 11 Labs is at the forefront. They offer an innovative solution for text-to-speech conversion that opens up a world of possibilities. InVideo.ai. InVideo.ai is an AI-powered video creation platform that simplifies the process of producing professional videos. It offers a range of tools and features to edit and customize videos, including templates, effects, text overlays, and more. Users can also leverage AI technology to automate video creation by simply providing the necessary inputs. With InVideo.ai, users can create engaging video content for social media, marketing campaigns, presentations, and other purposes. The platform provides a user-friendly interface that allows users to drag and drop elements, customize visuals, and add audio tracks. InVideo.ai enables businesses and content creators to produce high-quality videos efficiently, even without prior editing experience. In conclusion, these AI tools Synthesia, Midjourney, Runway, 11 Labs, and InVideo.ai provide powerful capabilities in different domains. Synthesia transforms video production with realistic avatars. Midjourney empowers creators and business to generate stunning visuals. Runway fuels creativity with AI models that generate images and animation. 11 Labs take voice models to the next level with cloning and has got you covered on video editing. Like and subscribe if you want to gain the advantage in the world of AI.